So the recording is on, and I have a challenge here because I have somebody from Germany on the line asking for information about funnels, and at the same time the text is in Dutch and the translation is from Edwin from English to German. So maybe you can translate that, Edwin.
Ja, de PowerPoint ist auf Holländisch und Rob wird alles übersetzen auf Englisch und ich übersetze es dann wieder zurück auf Deutsch.
Super! So, basically, any funnel, any system needs three things. It needs visitors, it needs a funnel, and it needs a shop. Maybe you can translate that, if you understand, just say yes.
Yes, I understand. I understand.
Danke vielmals. Danke vielmals. So any basic automation has a need of people, has a funnel, and has a shop.
Yeah.
And something is in the background. I don't know if there's a video running or television or something. Can somebody switch something off? Or is it just other people?
Okay.
Das ist bei Henny. Henny, hast du etwas laufen?
Ich habe ausgemacht.
Danke vielmals. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, the next step that you may realize is that funnels and a business is quite easy. So funnels are easy to build or to have built by somebody than me. And a business to be part of a multi-level marketing business or an eBay shop or an Alibaba shop is quite easy to understand and to make. You understand that, honey?
Yeah.
Cool. Now the most difficult thing is traffic. Traffic to get people to your funnels, to your shop, is the most difficult thing for most people. Most people, they think they have to sell instead of inspire. And if you cannot inspire but sell, you have a hard job because you become a salesperson. So a lot of people are stuck there, you see? You understand that, honey, right?
Yes, I understand, yes.
Okay.
Now, we do need all three. You need absolutely all three if you want to be an online entrepreneur. You want traffic, funnels, and again, a shop. The risk is that when you send people straight to your shop, you have to play the help desk. You have to do everything that need to be done in the funnel. So do not send people straight to your shop, but always send them in a funnel in where people will be aware of all the information, what you have for sale, how much it costs, what the examples are, the advantages, and so on and so forth. They need to know everything in that funnel, plus a special offer so that they can make a free-willed decision to come in the shop. Maybe you need to translate that, unless you understand, honey.
Yes, I understand.
Wonderful. We're going good. We're going good.
Yeah.
So just imagine that this is your business, whether it's iMarketsLive or IFM or Amway or some multi-level marketing company. Doesn't matter. My company at this moment that I'm promoting, one of the many, is iMarketsLive. So just imagine you have a shop. You have something for sale, products or services. Now the funnel, and that's, I think, you need to know more about, is a system in where there's a teaser and an opt-in page, a page like this, where you can fill in your name, your email address, plus your best telephone number, and then it connects you automatically to video information in where everything is explained, and then it also sends you click through text messages, click through video mails, and click through voice messages. That's a funnel system. So maybe you need to translate a little bit there, but do you understand, honey?
I understand.
Wonderful. So those systems I'm a specialist in. We build them. I build them for teams. Now the good news is that we also have software now to build your team, to actually build traffic. Now you have everything on autopilot. You have traffic, you have funnels, and you have somewhere that people can buy online. You don't have to do anything anymore. This is the perfect money machine. This is the perfect money machine. Now, the only thing that people say, okay, I want to stay an old-fashioned network marketer, a sponsor, because that's really about real connection, friendship, maybe on a spiritual level. So keep that. Keep the old-fashioned stuff. but also add an automation so that you can bring people from the old-fashioned real connection, friendship, and deep level connection to funnels, and also add an automated lead generator so that you have the best of the best of the best. And from funnels, you send people to your private life in order to make more friends. Plus, you do Facebook advertising, YouTube and Instagram advertising, or whatever you're used to. So do both. Do it all. It doesn't mean that you don't have to be a full automated autopilot entrepreneur. You can also be an old-fashioned sponsor, self-development trainer, coach, a life coach, and so on and so forth. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Oh, cool. Now, the special offer that I make people right now, and that's maybe what you need more information about, unless you want more information specifically about the funnels, I will give that to you. But the special deal that I make with people right now is that when you join the lead generating software and you join the funnel making software and you take part in one of our network marketing organizations, or we take part in one of your network marketing organizations, then I build everything on autopilot for a one-time payment of $300. That means that you have to pay for the lead generating software $97 one time. This is a very exclusive one-time co-founder opportunity. It's not public yet. This is brand new. You have to pay $50 per month for the funnel system, because I need your funnel system in order to put my funnels with a quick link, with a quick share or an easy share code in your funnels. And obviously you need to be part of one of my network marketing organizations or one of yours. It doesn't matter. That is the basic onboarding procedure. Is that clear?
Yeah. One time, €300.
One time €300, and I built the funnel system.
Okay.
So,
and not monthly.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
So this is, in short, what I'm offering people now in team spirit. So when you, for example, in my iMarketsLive team, then you don't need to bring in a lot of people, because I have a lot of people that are paying this $300 already. But when you bring in another multi-level marketing company that we need to start from scratch, you need to bring minimum of 5 or 10 people in. Otherwise, it's not worth it. I cannot do it for free, so to speak. So the thing that needs to happen is that you have to commit to those 3 things, one way or the other, slowly but surely, so that a total overview is that you pay one time $300 for the funnel part, for the team funnel, then everything is, the follow-up system is on autopilot, plus you become member of the lead generating software, plus the software that I need to build the funnel with, and one of our networks. So that's the total picture that you see right now. It's in Dutch, but this says one more time, an overview, you see? Now,
Rob,
yes,
darf ich, wenn ich das jetzt richtig verstanden habe, man zahlt einmal €300. In diese €300 ist der Mitgliedschaft 1 von $97.
No, it's exclusive. The $300 is just to build the whole system on autopilot, to do the follow-up system for the actual team that you're in.
Okay. Yeah.
And the step 2 is the onboarding process of the platforms that I need in order to build this system. I need your link from the lead generation system. I need your link and your back office from the funnel system, and I need you to be a member of something that we're promoting. Otherwise, I can't build the funnel.
Okay, and the last thing, number 3, you could make something for other business.
Yes, sir.
But you need 5 people at least.
5 or 10 people, yeah, 10 people preferably, because I'll tell you one thing, and this is the warning. When somebody hires me.
Stopp. Hanni, hast du das auch alles so verstanden?
Also, man zahlt einmalig diese €300 oder Dollar, und man muss noch, man hat einen Link, ich sage jetzt mal zum Beispiel von Plus Token. Ich würde das damit reingeben, Und was ich jetzt noch nicht verstanden habe, wo muss ich 5 Leute bringen in das System vom Rob, wo ich 300 Dollar zahle, wo die Leute einmalig die 300 Euro zahlen? Oder wo muss ich?
Das ist nur, wenn du ein neues Organisation reinbringt. So
Also zum Beispiel jetzt hier mein Forex Trading würde ich, ja. Mhm. Und
like if you, I don't know, which network marketing organization do you like to promote? Let's say it like, let's ask you like this. Which one?
Plus Token.
Plus Token, okay. So if you want me to build a Plus Token funnel system for your team, then we take part of your team. We take position in your, because I don't think we're in Plus Token yet. And we have to really make sure that we are allowed to, because some network marketing organizations doesn't allow you to be in similar other network marketing organizations. But let's say it's possible. Then I ask you to bring minimum of 5 to 10 people within, because otherwise I can't do it for $300. You see. Now, if you take a position.
Stop. Also, Hanni, was sagt, würde sich auch positionieren in das Team, in das Neue, weil er würde davon mit profitieren. Und er würde mit 5 Leute, die auch die 300 Euros bezahlen, kann er sich selber, kann er das bauen für dich. Da macht er einen Funnel für
das ganze System. Für das ganze System.
Ja, aber das ist ja quasi nicht jetzt für mich, sondern das wäre ja, also du würdest ja da auch reingehen und der Rob würde ja quasi unter dich gehen und seine Leute sind unter ihm, weißt du?
Ja, das ist richtig, das ist richtig. Und then we also ask you to look at our portfolio, see if you want to take part in some of our teams, because everything is on autopilot. We have lead generation on autopilot, we have funnel up funnel, and so the only thing then is left for us is to take positions to become.
Stop Rob. Eins nach dem anderen, also één voor één. Even, je gaat iets te snel er doorheen. Ja.
You say stop good. You say stop good. Whenever you say stop is good.
Stop. Also lass uns noch eben vorne anfangen, weil Rob war schon 3 Schritte weiter. Wir waren noch bei Step 1 ist, wenn er ein Funnel baut für dein Team, ne, ob das jetzt ich bin oder andere Leute, die im Moment interessiert sind, für ein bestimmtes Business, dann macht er das, sag mal, produktbezogen. Ja? Also er macht dann einer. Aber um es bezahlbar für alle zu halten, sagt er, ich gehe nicht über die 300 Euro hinaus, aber ich brauche dann wohl 5 Leute als Minimum, weil sonst kann ich mir das nicht erlauben. Das ist, was Rob da gesagt hat.
Yeah, and I'll tell you one thing.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Und dann gibt es in der zweiten Schritt, also gibt es 2 Networks, wo du rein musst, um das am Laufen zu kriegen. Das ist einmalig die $97 und das zweite ist dieses Funnel-System. Das ist $50, aber das ist eine monatliche Gebühr. Wenn aber jemand 2 Personen hat, der auch so ein Funnel-System hat, also man kriegt pro Person, die man da einbringt, $25. Also bei 2 Personen steht der monatliche Rate auch auf 0, weil du $50 bekommst und $50 kostet. Habe ich das richtig erklärt?
Sehr gut. And then the only thing that you need to know to make it more attractive is to see this special offer. Because when you say right now, I want it, then I send you a proper invoice with taxes to your email address. So you just give me your name and your email address. I'll send you the bill. And then when you decide right now, I'll give you what do you call this?
Provision.
No, I'll give you a license to sell it to other people. So you're able to make 100 people for every funnel system that you sell. A resell license, sorry. So when you make up your mind right now, you say I want it, then you pay $300 one time, and I'll give you a resell license in order to sell this system for a commission of $100. So again 3 is free, you see. So you can also make money with this. And if this I only do for people that don't have money, then I say, okay, bring at least 3 people in, then you're free, and we'll charge the other 3 people that there's money coming in anyway. So that's the escape. We call that the escape.
Also das war jetzt auch neu für mich, Hanni. Mhm.
Ja.
Ja.
Also er sagt ja quasi, für die Leute, die kein Geld haben, ja, sorg dafür, dass du 3 Leute findest, dann hast du deine 300 €, dann bist du auf 0. Ansonsten, wenn die Leute direkt loslegen wollen, sagen, okay, dann zahlen die 300 €, haben aber die Möglichkeit auch dieses System weiter zu vermarkten und kriegen für jeder, die das weiter vermarkten, 100 €.
Bitte. And the only thing I need legally is a little document. We have the document ready, so we have the resell license ready, we have the invoice ready, and we also have a little document ready that you need to sign to give me or my team permission to log into your back office of the funnel system and of the lead generation system, because we need to make adjustments there.
Hast du das verstanden, Hanni? Nee. Also die $97.
Ja.
Ja, da braucht er deine Passwörter.
Ja, klar.
Weil er das so einrichten muss.
Ja, das ist klar.
And we have an official document for that, because
it's kein Problem.
By law we cannot break into your network. It's a proper business, you see. So we need to have a little signed document that gives us permission to be your virtual assistant.
Wie kann man das zahlen?
When you want to pay, we have 3 ways of paying, actually 4, but it's very simple. When you prefer Bitcoin, we'll give you a wallet address. When you prefer PayPal, I have a PayPal address, and when you want to pay by bank, I'll give you my bank, or I'll give you the organization that is doing all the billing, and you'll just send money there. Actually, we'll send you a proper invoice on where all the payment options are.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's basically it. And if you want more information about the actual funnel system, sure, ask away, because that is very intriguing, you know. The actual funnel system, number 3, that is a lot of work, and that needs a lot of explanation too. But that's only technical information how to build it, you see. You understand that? Yeah. So the actual funnel system, that's maybe in another Zoom call, or it needs a lot of explanation what is being built exactly, technically. If people are into that, if they say, I trust you with it because you're the best, blah, 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 okay, fine, we'll build it. But I'm also really want to entertain people, educate people, and make people aware of how good we build systems.
Okay.
That's my hobby.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So this is Dutch for, are there any more questions?
No.
Cool, huh? So for the sake of the recording, I'm just going to thank people for their time. And when you see this on YouTube or any other video channel, then please click links underneath this YouTube video to get more video information, detailed video information about all systems. Claim your position, because it's a one-time offer only. It's a short time-limited offer specifically for the lead generating software that is literally going out of the market in a little while. Leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number somewhere on this page where you can do so. I'll send you appropriate video information, and really get in contact with the person that sent you to this video. Those who are live on Skype, thank you so much for your time. Thank you, Germany. Thank you, Edwin. Thank you, Hanni. And then last but not least, when you see this on YouTube and you want to help us, please click on the word share underneath every YouTube video about here on this area. And when you do that, little social media icons pop up and you're able to share this on your social media platforms. I warn you that if you want to promote it on your own platform, if you want to promote your own links, do not send my video, because my links are underneath. I'll teach you how to put my videos on your channel in order to put your own links underneath, and then send it via this little share button. Thank you so much. I'll see you. And yours, the Zoom room stays open, so Hanni and Edwin, please stay. We'll have a little talk. I'll finish the recording by saying I'll see you on yours, definitely in our webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, and I'll stop the recording right now.
Okay.